Use a H5 socket to remove the 4 screws securing the handlebar clamp. Use a H4 bit to remove the 2 screws securing the left brake bar. Use a PH2 bit to remove the 3 screws securing the left handlebar switch assembly. Use a H4 bit to remove the 2 screws securing the right handlebar switch assembly. Use a PH2 bit to remove the 3 screws securing the right handlebar switch assembly. Slightly rotate the handlebar counterclockwise to remove the right handlebar switch assembly. Pull the left handlebar grip out. Install a new handlebar. Slide the left handlebar grip on the new handlebar until it bottoms out. Use a H4 bit to tighten the right handlebar switch assembly with the 3 screws. Use a H5 bit to tighten the handlebar clamp with the 4 screws. Recommended torque to be set between 20 Nm and 22 Nm. Use a H4 bit to tighten the right brake lever with the 2 screws. Use a PH2 bit to tighten the left handlebar switch assembly with the 3 screws. Use a H4 bit to tighten the left brake lever with the 2 screws.